Okay class, today we will learn about the downfall of Kmart.
Alessandro, can I please use the bathroom?
Sure, go ahead.
Today, I will frame Dora of her pulling down the fire alarm. I have a pink shirt to dress up as her. Ha 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 ha. Alright, now let's pull down the fire alarm. Alright, I need to take off this shirt.
Oh no, fire drill. Everyone line up and come outside. Okay, that's everyone. Wait, where's Splendont?
I'm here. Sorry, I was constipated.
Oh, okay. Looks like there's no fire. Miss Ashley, why are you so angry?
Well, Alessandro, it turns out that Dora was the one who pulled down the fire alarm and tried to frame Splendont for it.
Wait, what? I never pulled down the fire alarm. I was in the classroom the whole time.
Well, Dora, it was you. You tried to frame me. You wore a mask like me in pink. You know I don't like pink. Shame on you.
Yeah, why are you framing my best friend Splendont, Dora? Shame on you.
Shut up, Flippy. And Splendont, your stomach is pink too, you know.
My stomach is not pink, you idiot. Don't even mention my stomach.
Stop it, all of you. Miss Ashley, Dora was in the classroom the whole time. I don't believe any of that. She wouldn't do such a thing.
Yeah, save your excuses for later. I already called the police on Dora.
Dora, you are under arrest for pulling down the fire alarm. Get in the police car now.
What?
And you're suspended for 3 months.
Stop laughing, both of you.
This is your cell. You will stay here for 3 months, since it's a crime to pull the fire alarm.
This is just a big misunderstanding. I never pulled down the fire alarm.
Shut up, you have a visitor.
Mom, is that you?
Yes, Dora, it's me. What happened?
Well, the school said that I pulled down the fire alarm and tried to frame Splendont, when I didn't. I was in the classroom the whole time.
Oh no, that's horrible. Don't worry, I'll go talk to the principal.
Oh, hi Elena, what can I help you with?
Well, Dora wouldn't do any of this crime. She's innocent. She was in the classroom the whole time. She was framed. She did not pull down the fire alarm.
Well, Elena, she did it. She was in Splendont. I will show you the footage.
But that's not my daughter. That's Splendont. My daughter is not red, and she doesn't wear a mask.
Well, it's on camera. I can't pretend I didn't see that.
Why not show footage of the bathroom hall?
There's no camera in the bathroom, because that's illegal, but I'll show you the hall.
Oh my freaking god, Elena, I'm so sorry for all this misunderstanding. I should have known Splendont was the one that blamed Dora for this. I will call his troublemaking butt over here right now.
Splendont, get your butt to the principal's office right now.
Oh no, this isn't gonna end well for Splendont.
Miss Ashley, you called me here for something.
Splendont, we caught you pulling down the fire alarm, and you also blamed Dora on it too. You wore her shirt and framed her. What is wrong with you? You realized you messed up big time. Now, save your energy for later while Elena calls the police on you.
Hello, Officer Jonas. Guess what Splendont did? He's the one who pulled down the fire alarm and wore Dora's shirt. Dora didn't do it. Splendont did. Now, you need to come here and arrest him. Okay, thank you, goodbye. The cop is on his way. You should be ashamed of yourself for framing my daughter Splendont.
Splendont, you are under arrest for pulling down the fire alarm and framing Dora. Come with me to the police car. And Elena, come with me to get your daughter.
Okay.
And Dora is no longer suspended. She's now back here. I will see her tomorrow.
Dora, you are free to go.
I knew it. Splendont framed me.
I know, it was just a misunderstanding. I'm sorry I didn't believe you. Come on, your mom is waiting for you. Splendont, you will be here for a long time, since it's a crime to pull down the fire alarm. And also, you have a visitor.
Splendont. Are you kidding me right now? How dare you pull down the fire alarm and frame Dora? That's it, you are granted for 8 months. Enjoy your stay.
Why did this have to happen? This is the worst day of my life. Yeah.